Welcome to Earth!
And nothing in the street looks any different to me. And the slogans are effaced by the night.
Welcome to Earth. Me and my coworker have been stranded here in this strange wilderness. We have no idea where we are, so the only way to survive is finding a way back to civilization. Looks like we're on an adventure.
Psych!
Psych, not going. Psych on psych! Our first task, crossing the Trololo Bridge. Rumor has it, around these parts of wherever we are, that there's a troll. Oh God, that was actually scary. We did it.
Tiptoe through the window, all the windows, that is where I'll be. Come tiptoe through the tulips with me. Oh.
It's starting to rain. I think that's poison ivy. It's starting to rain, so we're gonna have to find shelter. Hear that thunder? Yeah. Alright, well, okay, so we found the shelter, and when you find a shelter, you want to go like this with the branch, so you don't run into any spider webs. And you want to do this so you don't make sure there's any mountain lions on the ground. Then you want to hug the nearest tree on the ground.
There was a bug on my leg.
Luckily, we're in a good area. If the water happens to come down here, we'll just interact through this little drought. It's actually a really nice area. I mean, we got a view. Got a little loft. Not bad.
Here comes Speed Racer, he's a demon on wheels. He's a demon and he's gonna be chasing after someone. He's gaining on you, so you better look alive. He's busy revving up the powerful Mach 5.
There's like 100 feet right there, right?
Yeah, roughly.
Possible death right there. Alright, ready?
And when the odds are against him and they're dangerous work.